welcome back to my channel. I'm Stella, and today we're gonna make cuisine using stem of garlic. The garlic that we usually use for cooking is the root, and stem of garlic is the one that grows out of soil. The stem of garlic is spicy, like garlic, but it'll become sweet once you fry it. It is so rich in fiber and it helps to speed up your metabolism. So it is really good for the people who suffer from a low body temperature. So before we start cooking, let me show you an ingredient that we need. Stem of garlic, soy sauce, sugar, minced garlic, green syrup, dried shrimp, sesame oil. Slice the stem of garlic about 4 centimeters wide. Boil them about 1 minute to make the stem softer. Then fry the dried shrimp without oil to get rid of a smell. Give it a stir for 1 or 2 minutes. Then, let's make a sauce. Put 2 spoons of soy sauce and 2 spoons of sugar. Add 2 spoons of water and mix them using spoon. Put an oil into a heated pan and fry the stem of garlic with the sauce that we made before. Fry it about 5 minutes. add 1 spoon of ground garlic. Fry it about 3 more minutes until the 90% of soy sauce is gone. Add a dried shrimp and give it a stir. When it is almost done, add 1 spoon of grain syrup and give it a stir. Turn up the heat and add 1 spoon of sesame oil. Mix it using chopstick. The stem of garlic is so crunchy and sweet. Also, the dried shrimp is salty and sweet at the same time. It is a side dish that Koreans usually make for their everyday meal. Try making this at your home and share this with your family and friends. So, did you enjoy this video? Then please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.